I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your pharmacology final exam. First, get familiar with your exam structure, including question types and weighting. Next, identify the most important drug classes and concepts that frequently appear. Then, develop a study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each topic, ensuring you cover all essential material without feeling rushed. This structured approach will build a strong foundation. To truly master the material, engage in active learning. Create flashcards for key drug information, like names, mechanisms of action, and common side effects. Visual learners can benefit greatly from drawing concept maps to illustrate relationships between different drug classes and their effects. Regularly quiz yourself and practice recalling information without notes to solidify your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. When studying specific drugs, concentrate on the most critical details. Understand the broad classifications and identify prototype drugs within each group. Crucially, learn their mechanisms of action and primary therapeutic uses. Don't forget to memorize common side effects, adverse reactions, and essential nursing implications, as these are vital for safe patient care and frequently tested. As your exam approaches, dedicate time to comprehensive review. Work through as many practice questions and past exams as possible to simulate the real test environment. Identify any remaining challenging topics or weak areas and give them extra focus. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest the night before the exam. A well-rested mind performs much better under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.